In this video, I plan on showing you how you can sync your OneDrive folder that resides on the web with your local machine. The first thing we're going to need to do is navigate to OWA or Outlook Web Access. There's various ways that you can do that. The way that I'm going to detail here is simply by navigating to LCPS's main web page and clicking on the Staff tab. And you'll notice shortly down the page, there's Outlook Web Access or OWA. If I click on that link, it's going to bring up a window saying that it's going to taking us to content that's outside of Loudoun Public Schools webpage. I'm simply going to click accept, and it's going to take me to a login screen. And here I'm going to type in my network user ID with @lcps.org on the end, as you see right there, and then whatever your network password is. And simply click sign in. By default, it's going to load your email or Outlook web app. And you'll see, here's my email right here. What we're going to do is we're going to actually focus on OneDrive. At the top of your screen, you'll see a blue bar that has a number of different apps on it. Your Outlook email, calendar, people, tasks. As I said earlier, the one that we're going to focus on is OneDrive. So please click on the link that says OneDrive, and it will take you to your OneDrive folder. You'll notice this is a repository where you can store files. And access these files, because they are web-based, on any device that has access to the internet. What we're going to end up doing right now, though, is we're going to sync all of these files with my local computer. It's actually a very simple process to do. Once you've navigated to your OneDrive, you'll see at the top there's an icon that says sync. If I click on that icon that says sync, it's going to load a window that says, do you want to sync this now? You simply click sync now. And another window is going to pop up. It's going to say, these files are going to be sunk in this default location. And you can see the location is right here. The easy way to actually see your files is all I have to simply do is you'll now notice that down the bottom corner, there's actually two clouds. And this is your OneDrive syncing file utility. If you notice that there's a green line going underneath here, it simply means that there are files being synced at that time. If I'd like to access those files on my computer, all I have to do is simply double click on the clouds right here, and it will load a window, and it will show you all the files that are sunk with your Outlook OneDrive and your OneDrive that resides on the local machine. You'll also notice that there's some green checks right there. That means that those files have been successfully sunk to the cloud. If I want to navigate back to this, if I inadvertently click off this location and I click right here on the C drive or something like that, if I'd like to get back to those files, you'll notice underneath favorites, there's a similar icon that has two blue clouds that says OneDrive at Loudoun County Public Schools. If I click on that, all of my files are right there. So that's how you sync your files with your local machine.